Hi everyone, and welcome to day 9 of the 12 days of Christmas. And today we're going to be making an ornament. To start off, we have our acrylic paint. We have silver, metallic, and a pink. Plus we have, as you can see, a plastic ornament ball. And all I'm doing there is putting the two colors in, and I'm turning it around, the little ornament around, so it can be evenly dispersed. Now I kept doing it in different layers because I wasn't sure which color I wanted to be prominent. And as it turned out, the pink, believe it or not, even though it looked like I used more silver metallic than the pink, turned out to be the one that was the most prominent. So anyway, now I'm cleaning up my mess, and I'm letting that drain because that needs to get all that excess fluid out. And now I'm going to work on an egg. This is also going to be the same color as the pink that's in the ornament ball. So I'm just painting, get it ready to go. I didn't use any gesso on that because I figured the paint and coats of paint, if I need to, would help seal it in the paint. So now that that's drying and the egg is dried, I'm going to go ahead and decorate it. So all I'm doing is putting some embellishments on, some rhinestone ribbon, and I'll put a little lace on it, some flowers and things. But I'm just going to play music for now and let you watch, and you can fast forward this part if you want to, but it's just showing you what I did to decorate. So there we go. I'm going to decorate the ornament, the round ornament now with the rhinestone that you see there, that trim. It is so gorgeous. I got it from Hobby Lobby on sale. So the first thing that I'm going to do is go ahead and decorate around the cap, and I left the cap on purpose so that way I wouldn't accidentally put the rhinestone trim too close to the top, and then I wouldn't be able to get the cap on. So at this point, you're just going to see what I'm doing with the rhinestones and whatever decorations that I'm going to be doing to it. And, I'll just add music and you just enjoy yourself. I am done with the ornament and I'm very happy with it. I didn't get it all in the video what I decorated, but I don't know really what happened, why I didn't. But anyway, just to give you an overview, is that I went ahead and I put trim all the way around, and I went ahead and put trim around the, uh, oh golly, the cap. I went ahead and put trim around it because I don't plan on that coming off. I don't want it to come off. And I added a couple little roses on the top. I added trim here. And as you saw, I added trim around here. I even added some other rhinestone trim in there. I don't know if you can really, there it is. Can see it, but there it is. And as you can see, I had lace on the bottom, and then I added some applique lace on top. I just cut them apart. And I put trim on the bottom here just to give it a more finished look to it. And I thought about afterwards, I thought about putting a charm to dangle, and I may still do that. I don't know. But part of it's glued there, and I don't want to tear this because it is easy to uh, ravel. So I may not do that. But anyway, I've got this stand that I'm going to put it on if I don't gift it, and you won't be able to see it too well there. But anyway, it's going to be displayed hopefully like that if I don't give it away. And I'm very happy with it. It came out as, better than I thought. I had trouble figuring out what lace because I got so many much lace that I love that I had a hard time to decide, but that's just the way I am. Anyway, I hope you enjoy it, and I will post pictures at the end. And stay tuned for the next video tomorrow. God bless. Bye for now.